Gentle, gentle. Bryn, gentle. Are you trying to pick her up? Is she your baby? Yeah? Can you give Brooklyn a hug? Yeah. What about a kiss? What about a kiss? Can you give her Sissy a kiss? Aww. Where's her nose? Where's Sissy's nose? Gentle. Gentle. Where's Sissy's nose? Gentle. That's her nose. Good job. Yay. Okay, say bye-bye, Sissy. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job.